Hey, what's up everybody? It's Keith here and Misha. We're down at the warehouse. Today we're making some 2mm threadless beads. So let's take a peek and see what we're doing today. Alright, this is a Swiss turn machine. These machines are specifically designed for making this type of tiny little parts. As you can see, they just pump them out. So it's pushing out a titanium rod out of the center spindle, and that is making the rough part. Over there, it's transferring it off to this sub spindle. As you can see, it's grabbing the part, coming over here. It's going to start doing the drilling and finishing work on the 2mm titanium bead. So I'm going to start doing some drilling, then it's going to go up over onto the other side and do some milling or some lathe work. So watch, it's going to come over here and do some lathe work. Alright, drilling. And then up over here, up on the top left there is a lathe. There we go, lathe work. And then it's going to come back and do now finishing work on the drilling. Some mill work and some lathe work or some drill work, and then it's going to spit it back out. Bam! Into the part catcher, and away we go again and repeat. Basically that's how we make our 2mm beads. Now that's not all the magic, but that is basically how a Swiss turn makes little medical titanium parts. And over here in the part catcher we just basically make these all day long. And this is how Tribal Expression makes their 2mm, 3mm, 4mm. Prongs are made just a little bit differently, but away we go. We're just make our beads all day long. I love this machine. I love it.